4-minute yoga flow for a bad low back. Carrying boxes. Hauling in grocery bags. Scrubbing the floor on your knees. Shoveling. Holding a kid up in ice skates. Walking for hours through the mall with bags hanging in both hands. These and many other things put extra stress on our backs. Fortunately, yoga is, and has always been, one of the best ways to remedy the pain, tightness or soreness that shows up in our back, especially the low back. The poses chosen for this workout are specifically designed to flex and extend the spine as well as gently twist for a finishing touch of relief. You do not need to have any yoga experience to experience the relief this flow will provide. Just follow the directions and, as best you can, move from one pose directly to the next. It might even help to read all of them ahead of time and imagine the flowing motion in your head. Grab a yoga mat and enjoy this little moment of relief in your day and in your spine. Child's Pose 1. Begin with hands and knees on the mat, knees separated to the outer edges of the mat. 2. Sit your tailbone down and back between your heels and lower your belly between your thighs. 3. Stretch your arms long in front of you and relax your forehead onto the mat. Breathe fully and hold as long as you'd like. Hold for 1 minute, breathing slowly and relaxing everything. Move directly into the next pose. Cat Pose 1. Begin on your hands and knees with hands directly under shoulders and knees directly under hips. 2. Start with your spine in a neutral or long position, then slowly tuck your tailbone and lower the crown of your head so your back gently rounds. 3. Draw your navel up to your spine and breathe gently as you hold the stretch. Hold for 30 seconds and move directly to the next pose. Cow Pose 1. Begin on your hands and knees with hands directly under shoulders and knees directly under hips. 2. Start with your spine in a neutral or long position, then gently lift your heart and tailbone so your back gently curves downward. Be sure to focus on the lifting, do not press your back downward. Let the curve happen naturally. 3. Look slightly upward with a relaxed neck and breathe gently. Hold for 30 seconds and move directly to the next pose. Downward Dog 1. Begin in a kneeling position on your mat with hands directly under shoulders, fingers spread wide. 2. Tuck your toes under and engage your abdominals as you push your body up off the mat so only your hands and feet are on the mat. 3. Press through your hands, moving your chest gently toward your thighs and your heels gently toward the floor. 4. Relax your head and neck and breathe fully. Hold for 30 seconds and move directly to the next pose. Upward Dog 1. Begin lying face down on your mat with head slightly lifted and hands sitting directly under shoulders. 2. Point your toes so the tops of your feet are on the mat. 3. As you exhale, press through your hands and the tops of your feet, raising your body and legs up off the ground until arms are straight. 4. Keep your neck relaxed and long and quads tight as you hold and breathe. Hold for 30 seconds and move directly to the next pose. Windshield Wiper 1. Begin on your back with knees bent, feet flat on floor and arms stretched out to the sides. 2. Gently lower your knees to the left side of your body and place on the floor. Gaze right and breathe. 3. Hold for 30 seconds. 4. Engage your abdominals and slowly pull your knees back to the start position. 4. Gently lower your knees to the right side of your body and place on the floor. Gaze left and breathe. 6. Hold for 30 seconds.